Last week, while on our camping trip, we realized only 2 out of the 5 cab marker lights on the van were actually working. Not exactly ideal. So we decided it was time to swap them all out for brand new LED ones. In this quick video, we'll show you exactly how we did it, and we've dropped a link to the replacement lights down in the description if you need some too. If you buy through that link, we might earn a small commission, but it won't cost you anything extra. Now let's get to it. That one's out. That one's working. That one's out. That one's out. That one's working. So we have 3 of the 5 lights that are out. What?
According to most of the reviews that I saw regarding these lights on Amazon, the wiring is backwards. So red is black and black is red. So if you switch that, you shouldn't have a problem. So this is the old bulb coming out.
Wow, that's good.
So this is opposite of what it should be. So red is on black, black is on red.
Oh, we did up.
And we have lights.
We have light. It's a lot brighter than the old ones.
Good. We went with the amber, because that's more traditional. And we're usually in dark sky areas anyway.
Wow, look at the difference. That's significant. That's going to be nice.
Cool. Just put this screw back in.
And, as you can see, the old ones are pretty beat up.
Yeah, they took a licking and stopped ticking.
Yeah. It's definitely time for new lights. This is an easy light project. So then it's just one screw holding it in?
2. Oh. Now it's 1. Now it's 1. And hopefully I find that someday. I'm joking. I saw it. I was making sure it didn't go down that drain hole.
Wait. And then magnetic?
No.
Look, you can tell that one's on. You can't even tell the one that's on.
I know. One person said that they thought the gaskets weren't very good. So I may end up putting something new in there.
The gaskets that are in the old ones or the gaskets that came with the new ones?
The gaskets that came with the new ones. Whew, that's hot. Whew. I have to turn it off for a minute.
Oh, is the light getting hot?
Oh yeah. That is not LED.
You got new LEDs.
Yeah, these are LEDs.
Okay. Take 2 with a dub.
Yeah.
Much better, huh?
Yeah.
So you think that it should stick around on the edges? Scout them?
Ideally. I think I have some stuff. Let me go check. BRB. So when I put it up there, it seemed like it was rocking just a little bit, so it wasn't getting a good seal. So I'm putting this caulk tape on here, give it a little more thickness, and hopefully help with the weatherproofing. Push that one.
Which one?
Oh, I'm just trying to decide if I could get something in there. think that feels a lot more snug. The other thing I could do is stick a flexor, but it's so messy. I need my taller ladder. So see how
that looks a lot.
see how solid that is?
Here, do it again.
This is with the tape on there.
Okay.
This is the one without tape.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of squiggles.
So
now you have to take that one off.
Yep. I mean, we live in the desert. We get 0.2 inches of rain a year. So. We drive to the Midwest then. If we're gonna hit all 48 states, we're gonna need it. Yeah, the reviews that said to hook that up backwards were very helpful.
Yeah, thank you, fellow reviewers.
There's a little bit more of a slope on this side, so I think that's what it. But I feel a lot better with having that caulk tape underneath it. It's a much better seal. Cool.
So now you're doing just two strips straight next to each other.
Mm-hmm.
For better coverage.
Alright, so when I was going inside to tape these all up, I noticed in the box are these screws that are stainless that have little washers. So one more thing to do is just going to take the old screws out and put these stainless screws in with the washers. Seal it up a little better.
Third time's the charm on this first light.
Yeah.
Note to self, check entire box contents.
Don't have to worry about the screws anymore. What is that? Release.
Is that the screws you actually need?
No. Thankfully. I don't know where this one goes. There it goes.
And that's it. 5 new cab marker lights installed and working like a charm. It's a small upgrade, but it makes a big difference for safer night driving. If you want to check out the same lights we used, there's a link in the description. While you're here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to follow along on all of our adventures, from camping trips and van DIY hacks to camping fun with our sassy pup, Michaela. We've got plenty more adventures coming your way. Oh, man. Let there be light.
Yay. 5.
5 instead of 2. Good job.
Cool.